Hey folks, hey superstars, hey, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin here. And yes, that's my Christian divorce handles here. And this is my home here. And as you watch this video here, what I'm going to show you in about 5 minutes is how to read, okay? This is insane. I'm going to show you a site that pays you right now where you are to make money, okay? So it doesn't matter whatever book you have. And you can see I have books right there. Every book that I read, I get paid. Every book that you read online. Imagine getting paid $200 every single hour, not fighting traffic, not working at a job, not going to school, but in your home, by yourself, with your significant other, with your kids, making $200 every single hour. Okay. Now listen, first up, for this to work, you got to believe that it will, okay? As a matter of fact, I want everybody to comment the words below. Positive vibes only. If you're negative, you'll never make money. Okay, I don't care what video you watch, the tutorial, the training. If you're a negative Nancy, you'll just never make money. I don't care. It is what it is. But positive vibes only. This is what I've learned before I made my first million, okay? And before I bought these Christian divorce handles here. Listen. Is that I got two options in life. I could be negative, and I can be negative about this video, about learning this information, or I could be positive about it. So you know what? This is it. This is the video. This is the technique that Wesley Virgin is going to share with me right now, that if I read for an hour, I'll be paid $200. And I'm going to show you proof here. So listen, guys, go ahead and sub to the channel. Show me some love here. Go ahead and smash the like button. Only if you get value. Listen, you don't have to like this unless you get massive value. I want to be very transparent with you. And yes, it's true. It works. I'm going to show you proof here. And show me some love in the comments below if you believe that you can do this. If you're negative Nancy, well, leave your negative ass outside of this video. Let's go. So the name of the site is acx.com. And ACX, they partner with Amazon. So listen, if you have an Amazon account, you're like 90% there, okay? These folks, they pay you to read books. Now, how it works, there are hundreds of thousands of authors every single day. Listen, and they come to this website here, okay? And they get people to read their books, and they pay you to read, okay? Does that make sense? Now, I know some of you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to read. I got something for you as well. For all my lazy people, I get it. But let me show you how it works here. It's very simple. Hit sign up here. See that? Put in your sign up information. It's nothing but your Amazon account. If you have an Amazon account, smash the like button. That's all you need, honestly. You sign in and boom, you're like halfway there. And the great thing about it is worldwide. Okay? It's worldwide. And let me show you the book titles. Let me show you the books that you can read right now and start getting paid like today. And it's up to you. Like you can start right now. You can start later, tomorrow. But if you need money, especially during the Christmas holidays, I mean, you need to do this like right now. So comment below if you say, you know what, I need money right now. Look, click on search here. Click on titles, accepting auditions. Yeah, you got to audition, okay? It is what it is. You must audition for the book here. And it's just so easy. Now, what I like to do, because I like to get paid a lot of money, smash the like button if you want to get paid a lot of money, okay? Not a little money, a lot. So what you do is this. This is the trick. Go to compensation right here, and it's up to you. You can pay $50 an hour, $100, $200, $400, $1,000 an hour, or you can get a royalty share. That means that every book that is sold, you can make 5%, 50%, and 40%. It's up to you. But what I'm saying is it doesn't take any skill. Like if you can read, then you're like, that's half the battle. You got an Amazon account, that's half the battle. Smash the like button if you got both of those things here, okay? You don't need a college degree. You don't need any money. I mean, it's free. So you can click on here and say if you want to make $200 or $400 an hour. Smash the like button if that's what you want to make. Like $200 an hour and 8 hours a day, that's $1,600 a day, which is like $40,000 a month. Can I get an amen? I mean, You should be doing this, honestly. Hit apply here. And look at all these books. These people are willing to pay. Look, let's click on this book here. Okay, look. This lady's going to pay $200 to $400 per hour of books read, right? Just to read this book. That's it. And when you want to audition, you just click on that button that says audition. Okay, and I'm going to show you a secret here that's going to blow your mind. Because you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to read well. Well, I'm going to show you a trick. Just stay with me, okay? But look here. I mean, look at this. Let me show you something else. Watch this. Look how many books. Like how many books are available right now that you can audition for. Imagine just reading one book, okay? Because I know some of you don't like to read. Just a 6-hour book. They're going to pay you up to $400. 400 times 6 is $2,400. That's in one day if you're motivated, right? How many of you would quit your job right now if you can make $2,400 a day? Just to read a book. I mean, a lot of you read trashy novels, ladies. You know, men, you read all types of, I mean, why not get paid to do it? Okay? If you're with me, smash the like button, right? If you can see yourself doing this, smash the like button here. Now, let me show you a trick. Because you may say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to read. I speak Espanol, or I just don't know how to pronounce words properly. This is the trick. Go to this site right here. Watch this. You're going to love me about this. Go to voices.com. You get a free account. Hit sign up here. And all you do is this. This is what you do. When you get a free account, you say, hey, I have a book I'm working on. I want to know if you can do an audition for this book. So what you do is you find the book. That person is going to send you an excerpt of the book and say, hey, read this. You send it to this person on this website for free, right? You just do it for free. You just say, hey, I want to know if your voice is the right voice. Can you read about 2 paragraphs? And you take that paragraph you get from voices.com. Watch this. And send it to these people. So now you're like the third party. You don't have to actually do the work. Listen, the internet is insane. You know, a lot of you, I get it. Yeah, you got to work, but you got to understand that people out there working smarter. You can be the third party, right? You can just be the third party between ACX and voices.com. Let me show you another website. Look, Fiverr.com. Say if you got $5, go here, type in voices. This is only if you don't want to use your voice. You may say, Wesley, I don't like my voice. I don't like my voice. Well, okay, look, get somebody for $5. Look, get this girl for $5 to read a paragraph for you, right? And she'll probably do the whole book. Look. She'll probably do the whole book, this girl right here, for $200, okay? Just do the math, right? You pay her $200, but you make $1,600. You understand the math? Can I get an amen? Can somebody smash the like button? Can you show me some love below? I mean, this is a free video here. Now, listen, how many of you right now know that you can do this? How many of you right now believe that $1,000 a day can potentially put you and your family in a better situation? Now listen, what if I had a foolproof way? I want you to open your mind for a second. Give me 60 seconds. I'm about to blow your mind. What if it's a foolproof way, a software that would do everything I just showed you by a click of a button? That you will make $11 every minute by using a software called AI. It's artificial intelligence. Would you want to get involved with that? Of course you would. Now listen, a lot of people want me to do this for them. And I do. They pay me $1,000 a month. I do it for them, right? These small projects here. You know, people make $5,000, $7,000 a month here. But all I want to do is something very special for you, man or woman that's watching this video right now. Okay? First 10 people, if you look at the link under the description in the comments below, first 10 people that grab this software, you can have it for $17. First 10 people, which means if you're number 11, you're too late. Come in. Make sense? So it's up to you. Does that make sense? Oh, what's up? No, you good. It's up to you. That's my stylist. Say what's up, Q. He bringing me a suit coat. I got to go to a cocktail. So listen, first 10 people, you can have it for $17. Okay? All you need to do is click the link in the description below under this video, and it's yours. And the software does it for you. $11 every freaking minute, even while you sleep, by reading. Go get it. Okay? And that's how you get paid. Look, these people right here, they pay you. The author, she pays you. Big head. Hey, I got to go. So like I said, first 10 people, $17 is yours. There's a software. I just put the link in the description below if you want it. We're going to get busy. I'm going to do it for you. The software is automated. It's artificial intelligence. It's software automation. Listen, it is the future. It is changing people's lives. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's get it.